Good morning, student. Welcome back. Today's topic is basic accounting terms. First one topic is business transaction. Business business means being busy for earning more and more profit, and transaction means buying and selling of goods. So business transaction, it is an economic activity of the business that changes the financial position when a transaction may be in cash or credit when the amount is paid immediately or received immediately after the transaction, then it will be cash transaction. And when it is promised to pay later, it is a credit transaction. Transaction may be internal or external. External means outsider of the business, and internal means does not involve second party or another party. So business transaction is buying and selling of goods by two parties which get recorded in the book of accounts. Second term is capital. The capital is the amount invested by a businessman in the business. This amount is increased by the amount of profit earned and the amount of additional capital introduced. It is decreased by the amount of loss incurred or amount withdrawn by partner or a businessman. In order to calculate the amount of capital, all current and fixed assets are added and all external liabilities are deducted out of it. The amount of capital can be calculated by using following equation: capital is equal to assets minus liability. Next one term is drawing. So what is drawing? Drawing is a amount of cash or value of good withdrawn from the business by the proprietor for his personal use. It is deducted from the capital. Next term is liabilities. Liabilities refers to the financial obligation of a business. These denote the amount which a business owes to the others, just like loan from bank for or other person, creditors for goods supplied, bills payable, outstanding expense, bank overdraft, etc. It may be internal or external. Internal which belongs to the owner and external which belongs to the outsider parties. Liabilities under Schedule 3 of Company Act 2013 is classified into two categories: current liability and non-current liability. First one is current liability. Liability which are payable in near future, that is within a year, are called current liability. For example, bank overdraft, creditors, bills payable, short-term loan, outstanding expenses. And second one is non-current liability. Non-current liability are those liability which are payable after a long time period, that is more than 1 year. For example, debenture, long-term debts or loan, etc. Next term is assets. Assets are the property or valuable things of business which are used for long term of business or run of business. Anything which will enable the firm to get economic benefit in future is an asset. For example, land, building, machinery, furniture, stock, data, cash, bank balance, trademark, copyright, goodwill, etc. Classification of assets. First one non-current assets, second one current assets, and third one is fictitious assets. First one is non-current assets. Non-current assets are those assets which are held for long-term use in the business with the purpose of producing goods or rendering service to earn revenue. Fixed assets. These assets are not meant for resale and are used to increase the profit earning capacity of the business. For example, land, building, furniture, plant and machinery, motor vehicles, etc. Fixed assets. Those assets are not meant for resale and are used to increase the profit earning capacity of the business. For example, land, building, machine, furniture, patent, copyright, etc. Tangible fixed assets. These are the assets that one having physical existence, and intangible fixed assets, those assets having no physical existence but their possession give rise to some rights and benefits to the owner. They cannot be seen and touched, just like goodwill, patent, trademark, copyright, etc. Current assets. Those assets which are meant for sale or which could be converted into cash within a year. Current assets are also known as floating or circulating assets. For example, cash, bank balance, bills receivable, debtors, marketable security, etc. Fictitious assets. Those assets which have no real value, they are treated assets on technical ground only. They are shown in balance sheet till they are not completely written off the profit and loss account. Some main fictitious assets are preliminary expenses, underwriting commission, discount on issue of share or debenture, advertisement expense, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.